हेलो डियर, मैं प्रकाश रंजन, आपका फिजिक्स मेंटर. सो अगेन वेलकम टू माय चैनल इम्पल्स जेई फॉर लर्निंग फिजिक्स. होप आप सभी लोग फिजिक्स में अच्छे कर रहे होंगे. टुडे अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस अ प्रॉब्लम given in build up your understanding in Pathfinder, in which we need to use the concept of a relative velocity and constant relationship, जिसको हम लोग न्यूटन्स लॉज ऑफ मोशन में पढ़ते हैं. So आप देखेंगे कि how easily by using those concepts we can solve these Pathfinder sums. So just watch the lecture till end. Here it's given three blocks A, B and C are suspended with the help of three pulleys, जो कि इस डायग्राम में दे रखा है, आप लोग सभी कोई देख सकते हैं. Initially block are held at rest at the same level and then released. The blocks move in such a way that they always remain in the straight line. इसके भी मीनिंग को हम लोग समझेंगे कि इसका क्या मतलब है. If at any instant the block B is observed moving downward with velocity 4 centimeter per second relative to the block A, then find the velocities of all the blocks at this instant. So इसमें हम लोगों को assume कर लेना है कि we can assume block A is like say going with VA in the upward direction, and say this B block is moving with VB and this block C is moving with VC. All velocities are assumed in this ground frame. With respect to ground, the blocks are moving in this way. In the question, it's given कि block B is observed moving downward with velocity 4 centimeter per second relative to this block A. So here we can use the relative velocity concept, and we know that when two are moving in this opposite direction, then their relative velocity is nothing but simply their scalar sum. So what we can write, it's given in the question VA plus VB according to the direction shown in this diagram. We can write VA plus VB is nothing but 4. This is equation A. We can write. Since we have used A here, so I am not using A again. Say this is your equation 1. The another equation we can make through this constant relationship, and the another one with the relative velocity concept, which is given through this statement, they always remain in the same straight line. So I have used the relative velocity concept between A and B. Again, we can use the relative velocity concept from this statement that all remain in the same straight line. What does it mean? Suppose after some instant, if suppose A goes to here and suppose B come to here, then definitely we come to here, then definitely these all will lie in the same straight line. Say C will be here. So what we can say, if you are going to draw this line here for the better understanding, so suppose this is your VA and somewhere say VB is in this direction, and say this VC is also in this direction. So what we can say, to maintain this straight line, whatever the distance traveled by A with respect to B in this direction, same distance would be traveled by the C with respect to B along this direction. So what we can say, with respect to B in this direction, this is nothing but VCB, which we can write VC minus VB from relative velocity concept. And this is your VA minus of minus VB, which is simply VA plus VB. So according to the statement given in this question, we can write VAB must be equals to VCB. So this can be written as VA plus VB is equals to VC minus VB. So from here we are getting VA is equals to Vc minus 2 Vb. This is equation number 2. So by using the relative velocity concept, we have made these two equations. Now Since we have three variables, so we need to make one more equations that we can make from the constant relationship concept. So we know if this is going with VA, then definitely you can say this pulley will move down with VA also, and these two are going with VB and VC. So if you apply the relative velocity concept, then directly we can write this is nothing but 2VA is equals to this is your equation number 3. So we have VA and VB. So if you substitute the values, then what we can say, if you multiply with 2 here, then it will become from equation 2 and 3. We can write 2VC minus 4VB is equals to VB plus VC. So we are getting VC value is 5 times VB. So we have VC is equals to 5 VB. So if we substitute this value of VC in this equation 2, then what we can write from equation 2, we can write VA is equals to 3 VB. If you substitute the value of VC as a 5 VB, so it will be VA is equals to 3 VB. So if we substitute the value of VA from this equation 1, so we are getting 4 VB is equals to 4. Means VB is coming 1 meter per second. And VB is 1, means VA is coming 3. VA is coming 3. And then VC will be 5 times VB. Means VC is coming 5 times VB means 5 meter per second. So this is the answer. I hope आपको कंसेप्ट समझ में आया होगा. एंड जो न्यू सब्सक्राइबर हैं वो काइंडली आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, जिससे जब भी मैं क्वेश्चन अपलोड करूं तो आपके पास इसका नोटिफिकेशन जाएगा एंड यू कैन watch the channel and you can learn the new concept related with physics. So this is all for the today. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching my channel.